Shiba Inu coin has officially been listed on Binance. This is absolutely huge news for this coin, and it's been skyrocketing price recently, but let's talk about where this coin could be headed in the future, what I think this Binance listing means for it in the overall grand scheme of things, and my personal thoughts on the coin. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. If you guys want to get some free stocks with WeBull, check out our WeBull link in the description below, and check out our course program if you guys want to learn how to trade in the stock market. But other than that, guys, let's get right into this video.
Alrighty guys, here we are with Shiba Inu crypto, Shiba Inu coin, the many different names that it's called by. Here we are with the graph and the overall price action that we're seeing currently at the moment of making this video, what it's doing. Let's just recap real quick what's been going on recently. We obviously saw a huge jump in price in this coin around here. Its overall existence has not been going on for that long of a time. As you can see here, relatively short, kind of really started popping off here just at the beginning of May, only a couple days ago really, and now we're hitting these crazy high levels. We're getting to almost not a 10th, not a 100th, not a 1000th, but very close to that level. We're at the 267,386 level currently. As many of you may know, SHIB tends to run, it doesn't really have to, but it does run in correlation with Dogecoin. Dogecoin tends to run in a similar pattern as far as the price action goes, and Shibacoin tends to do kind of the same thing. We saw this huge initial run up just off of original Dogecoin hype, probably more than likely leading up to a lot of different events that were going on at the time. A lot of it having to do, of course, with the SNL thing. Beautiful as far as trading patterns go. This is a beautiful bull flag being formed right about here, as you can tell, and then just continue to sky high or rocket higher. And the reason for this just beautiful green candle up is none other than, of course, we'll talk about this, the Binance listing, right? It's official, Shiba Inu is going to be listed on Binance. Now, it will not be listed on Binance US. So for those of you who are in the US who want to trade or own Shiba Inu through the Binance app or platform, you unfortunately cannot do that yet, but I'm sure it will be coming relatively or very soon. It'll be very interesting to see. Let's just read a little bit here. As you can see, Binance will list Shiba Inu in the innovation zone and will open trading at, as you can see with the trading pairs, at 5:10 at 11 a.m. Today is, of course, the 10th, so it literally opened 2 minutes ago at the time of making this video. Crazy stuff. That this is happening because a lot of people, really respect Binance and the things that they're trying to do as far as pushing forward the crypto industry, and of course providing a great platform that you can trade on. I would argue that they are probably at this point the main competitor to Coinbase. I really don't think that there are any other crypto exchange platforms that I would use besides Coinbase or Binance. So this is really cool stuff. And of course, Binance has their Binance Smart Chain technology, which I think is going to be, revolutionary to say the least, especially with everything that's going on currently. As you can see here, there's a lot of risk warning and just kind of telling you about the innovation zone and what it does and everything. What is Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu is an experiment in decentralized community building and another meme coin similar to Dogecoin. SHIB is the native token of Shiba Inu and will be the first token to be listed used as an incentive for using ShibaSwap, a decentralized exchange. So that's basically why we saw this huge spike in price right here. As you can see here, a lot of profit takers, I'm sure, who are selling off here, probably more than likely whales, and also just general, people are taking profits up here, which I'm sure many people who bought down here or here are up very big right now. So this is very cool, very interesting to see. Now, as far as where this could be going in the future, if we look at the RSI, sitting at about the 60 level, kind of still approaching that oversold level. So I would not be totally surprised if it does downtrend a little bit more. I think there needs to be some more events, AMAs, or just in general different events that kind of drive price action, because as you all may know, most of the price action on these DeFi coins is driven by events or fundamentals. It's not really driven by technical analysis. Is helpful. You can look at the support levels, you can look at the resistance levels, but overall, most of the price action and most of the pumps basically comes from, of course, buyers, people buying into the coin, creating a sudden urge of demand, and of course, that urge of demand or sudden influx of buyers usually results from some kind of event that's happening, like this Binance listing, for instance. People think that Binance, this is obviously a very trustworthy brokerage, a platform that a lot of people use, therefore meaning that this token is now gaining some respect in a variety of different communities. And the fact that this is kind of still, for the most part, you can get a lot of SHIBA for a very, very cheap price. It does not take a lot of money to get into this coin, into the millions of coins. Like you can literally buy, millions of coins for a couple $100, or even less than that, depending on where you get in. So it's just very interesting to see. A lot of people really want this to go to 1 cent. I mean, Dogecoin, again, everybody who says that these coins can't go to 1 cent because of the market cap or because of the total supply, I honestly think that you are totally ignoring the biggest example of this, and that is literally Dogecoin itself, which went to obviously much more than 1 cent. It was up at 74 cents at one point at the all-time high that it hit recently, and that was literally on a coin that has unlimited supply. It's a joke, it's a meme, it has no value. But the thing is, people are still making money off of it. And there's a lot of people who, for the most part, are these very, shrewd kind of investors who think that they're really, really cool, and they think that, oh, well, my investments have value, and yeah, they probably do, and that's cool. But the thing is, nobody's investing in Shibacoin because they're, this coin is going to change the way society works. No, people want to make money. That's the whole point of these DeFi coins, honestly. It's to raise liquidity for systems, so that way all the transactions that go on within whatever project it's involved with works. This is a community-based project, and of course, it's like a meme coin. So it's the whole point here is that people want to make money, right? And nobody holding this coin has an emotional attachment to it. At least they shouldn't, in my opinion. I think a lot of people do have emotional attachments to this, but more in the sense that, oh yeah, we're going to the moon, let's go. It's kind of a hyped up community of people, which I think is a really cool thing to see. And I'm really looking forward to if SHIBA can continue to break these big levels and continue to go further. But of course, it might have to consolidate a little bit like it did here. And this consolidation period that we saw previous was not too bad. Lots of buying on the dips and just kind of continued to grow smaller and smaller into that bull flag pattern. And then it broke out, which is just great and good to see. So overall, that's pretty much it for SHIBA token as far as the price action goes. Just a quick look at StockTwits. As you can see here, lots of people still very bullish on this. Overall, obviously memes and GIFs and all that, people are very, very excited. There's also some interesting stuff about Amazon possibly accepting Doge or SHIBA token as maybe a currency or something. That's still very rumored though. We have to see about that. That's all super speculative right now. But pretty much, guys, that's about it. As far as where I think this could be going in the next couple of weeks, I think that what is going to happen more than likely, and this is not financial advice, this is just my own opinion, that this will maybe consolidate a bit. We're going to see some tight consolidation, in this kind of range. It might downtrend just a little bit until we get more news, more events happening, especially with Dogecoin, of course, because I think these two coins are very, very related, obviously in the name, obviously in the purpose. And as more things come out as far as Elon Musk tweets go, SpaceX stuff, Dogecoin, the whole rocket situation where they're going to be sending Doge 1 to the moon. There's all kinds of stuff that are going to be coming out this year and the next year for this kind of coin. So strap in, get ready. As you can see here, we're currently downtrending with this red candle here, right here. Hopefully we don't make another low high and a low low. That would not be good. But I still think that it does consolidate for a little bit. And if you're long in this coin, well, I'm assuming you're probably holding for the long term anyways. But pretty much, guys, that is it for Shiba Inu.
And other than that, guys, that's pretty much it for Shiba Inu coin. A lot of you guys are probably holding this coin and very excited about this Binance listing news. And of course, I'm sure that there will be more exchanges in the coming future that will list this coin. It'll be very interesting to see where this coin ends up heading, and I'm really looking forward to covering it more in the future. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. Check out our WeBull link if you guys want to pick up some free stocks with WeBull, and check out our course program if you guys want to learn how to trade in the stock market. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle, the Finance Bro. Take it easy.